You promised me the moon and the stars, then you quietly told me that this would be your last journey away on the lonely seas. And this time you would bring wedding ring. Last night you danced me to the moon and the stars, but when I woke up this morning, there was no left on my pillow, telling me you had to go away, and this time you wouldn't be back for me. So I stand by the shore alone, knowing that my darling will never be coming home. And so I must begin to see you will never know how big my belly has grown. Last night I gave birth to a beautiful boy. When he looked at me softly, all I could see was his daddy smiling back in front of me. But this time I won't let the big blue sea come between him and me.
This next song is off our new album, which isn't officially released, but we do have copies for sale. So please don't be shy. If you'd like to come up and buy one afterwards, or midway, then that's fine as well. Enw'r gan yw Treacherous Heart. The song's called Treacherous Heart. Might be a good idea to tell you who we are. Mae'n syniad da I weithio chi pwy ni. Mae flyers ar setau, ar fordydd. Laurie Evans, and this is Lee Mason, and Pembrokeshire folk.
Sorting the sound, diolch yn fawr. Enw'r gan nesaf yw Merch y Myni. Yn credu, yes, that is Merch y Myni. Sgrifennes i'r gan ma amdano Nghatrei, Tydraff yn Sir Benfro.
This one's called Merch y Myny, Mountain Girl, and it's all about my hometown, which is Newport in Pembrokeshire. And it's a lovely place. I am a bit biased, of course. Merch y Myny. wrth yr album newydd. This next one is another new one. This song is all about making sure that you've got someone to talk to when you need to offload any stuff that you've got. The song's called Talk to Me. Another new one. We're playing lots of new songs for you today, and os nad ydych chi wedi gweld ni o blaen, maen nhw gyd yn newydd i chi. If you haven't seen us before, they're all new to you. A lot of them are old to me. This one's called Easy and Slow.
Hearts on the line.
abandoned now, he's had enough. Mae can newydd arall, it's another new one. And it's on the new album. We're very fortunate to have a wonderful accordion player, Andy Cutting, record with us for this one. As you can see, he's not here with me, so I'll do it by myself. It's called Can't Say For Sure.
Can't say for sure. I think that you know how I'm feeling. And I can't say for sure. I guess that you know what's coming. And I know I can choose whichever goes. But I think I'll take the one you're in. I can't say for sure. I think that you feel something. And I hope that I'm right, and that this hasn't all been for nothing. And I know I can choose whichever tomorrow, but I think I'll take the one you're in. Oh, I think I'll take the one you're in. I hope I can say that you're everything that I've been waiting for. And I hope you can see that sometimes these things are not what you're looking for. And I know I can choose whichever tomorrow, but I think I'll take the one you're in. Oh, I think I'll take the one you're in. Oh, I think I'll take the one you're in.
Thank you. Hello. Mae'r gan nes yma'n eitha hyn. This next song's quite an old one. Sgrifennes i'r gan am aroliad canu yn coleg sawl blwyddyn yn ôl. I wrote this song for a singing exam in college quite a few years ago now. Enw'r gan yw Cariad Mwyn. The song is called Cariad Mwyn, which means fondest love. And they must have liked it because I passed, so that's always good. today. Sawl guitar Danny. I Travel Light, I'll use one. But few of the new songs have got different tunings, so instead of subjecting you to a minute of detuning and then tuning back, we've brought some guitars already tuned.
It's all for you.
Tuned correctly. This is the title track of the new album, Corner of My Eye. And I suppose the song is all about the people that we've lost or people that we don't see anymore, and we think we catch a glimpse of them in the corner of our eyes, hence the title.
I can't deny the way you made me feel that Sunday, and I can almost hear the words you whispered in my ear. We used to laugh, we used to joke that we would never ever grow old, but somewhere in between the stories and the dreams, we let go, we lost control. Yes, I know you're never coming back to me. Just give me time to get used to this new reality. And I know that this is our last goodbye. And so I look for you out of the corner of my eye. And now my memories keep me company every day, and I can feel the hope and fears invading silently. Yes, I know you're never coming back to me. Just give me time to get used to this new reality. And I know that this is our last goodbye. And so I look for you out of the corner of my eye. Yes, I know you're never coming back to me. Just give me time to get used to this new reality. And I know that this is our last goodbye. And so I look for you out of the corner of my
Diolch yn fawr, thank you. This next song is one of my favourites. It's off the last English album that we did, which is a few years ago now. We have got CDs for sale. We've got some English ones and we've got some bilingual ones. We've also got a mailing list, so if you like what you've heard and you don't want to miss us the next time we're near to where you live, then you can pop your email address down on the mailing list. I promise I don't hassle people more than once a month really with a newsletter. Peidiwch bod yn shei, os chi'n moyn CDs, dewch lan ar ôl I ni orffen. This one's called Picture Her Face.
You can't be without any other. And for you it has been such a long time coming, You shake your head, you look for some kind of answer, When you look up, you want to ask why he took her, why you would want to take her. You look upon her with your deep saddened eyes. This time she's not playing. It's about time you realize that you can't begin to understand what this all means. That from today you won't be able to tell her that you still love her. So you shuffle room to room, place to place. No, it won't be long till you won't be able to picture her face. Oh, picture her face, picture her face. Oh, picture her face. It's been 3 months, but now it seems so much longer, so much longer. Still here to cry, still here laughing at your jokes, at your stupid jokes. So you shuffle room to room, place to place. No, it won't be long till you won't be able. Oh, you shuffle from room to room, place to place. No, it won't be long till you won't be able to picture her face. Oh, picture her face, picture her face, picture her face. Oh, picture her face, picture her
Thank you. Diolch yn fawr. Mae cwpl o caneuon dan i'r ôl i chi. We've got a couple more songs left for you, so thank you very much for sticking around.
up to Scunthorpe after this gig. We're a gig there tomorrow night, so a fair way to travel. This next song took me 2 years to finish, so took my time with it really. I thought it was never going to be finished, but gave myself a kick up the bum really a few months ago and told myself to get a grip and finish it. So that's what I did. I think we all need a bit of a kick sometimes. This one's called Deep Inside.
We will be back in Cardiff. The next one at the moment is the Soon Festival in October. Ni'n ôl am y Gwyl Soon yn mis Hydref, but possibly before then.
Diolch yn fawr unwaith eto am aros a gwrando i ni. Thank you once again for sitting down and not going anywhere. Mae'r gan nesaf yma amdano Tydrath hefyd. This next song, well, the last song, is also about my hometown, which is Newport in Pembrokeshire. And we do have CDs for sale, so please come up and buy one if you like, or just come up and say hello or goodbye. Diolch yn fawr. Little people.